Hey, what's up guys? If you wanna make a YouTube channel, so this video is just for you. So stick with it till the end and I will provide a minimum gear list from which you can create your own YouTube channel. So let's begin. Before jump on to the topic, please like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Actually, I don't wanna advise you, but it is a fact that there is no need of acquiring heavy gears because there are lots and lots of people on this platform who are not using very heavy gears and still they are popular. So first, initially it is not necessary to invest on gears. There are 4 major elements on which you should invest. One is lav, which is consist of 3 elements: light, audio and visual. And fourth one is software. My first advice is to you to invest in the software. I know many people are disagree with you, but just think over it. In your initial days, you have to do all the work single-handedly. So it is better for you to invest in software because the editing of video is a very tedious process, and if you don't have paid version of it, you don't acquire many presets which makes your video very good. So in this scenario, you have to create those presets. So it is a very tedious process and you might get frustrated. Actually, right now I am using a free version of video software because I don't have much money to invest in it. But you can, if you have a money, so first investment should be in the software. But invest in software is not necessary. If you don't wanna invest in and if you just wanna use free softwares, so it's now. Let's talk about LAV, which means light, audio and visuals. Actually, the natural light is very good, but if you are shooting indoor, that means you need a ring light because ring light is more than enough for you and it gives your video a very decent look. When it comes to audio, you don't require heavy mic system. Instead of investing in a high quality mic, you can work with your earphone mic, and right now I am shooting this video via earphone mic and it works really great. So don't invest in mics. But if you are living in a very noisy place, that means you require mic which is suitable for the noise reduction system. So in that case, you require mic. I think that the current quality of video in smartphones is very good for your video shooting. But if your work require many kind of special effects, slow motion and night shooting, that means you require DSLR. Hope you guys like this video, and if you have any kind of suggestion, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, thanks for watching it.